Question number 5. Today, everything at a store is on sale. The store offers a 20% discount off the regular price. Part A. The regular price of a t-shirt is $18. What is the discounted price? Well, it's 20% of $18, right? So first you want to change the 20% into a decimal. So you'll do 20 divided by 100, or you'll just move the decimal place 2 places over to the left to get 0.20. And of tells me that we need to multiply, so it'll be 0.20 times 18. And that should give us an answer of $3.60. But this is not the answer because it didn't ask you for what was the discount. It's asking you what is the discounted price. So this is really asking you what is the price after this $3.60 discount. What you need to do then is take this $18 and subtract this discount. I know my discount was $3.60, so when I subtract that, we should really get $14.40. The discounted price is $14.40. Part B. If the regular price of an item is X dollars, what is the discounted price in dollars? Well, this time, remember in the previous problem how we were able to just do 18 minus what 20% of 18 was? Well, in this case, we don't know that what the X dollars is. It's an unknown value. So in that case, we're going to assign it a variable X. But it's still going to be discounted at 20% because it's part of the same problem. So what we're going to do is take 20% of X. So I'm multiplying that 20% by X. And I'm still subtracting it from X, whatever my price is. It's not 18 this time. I don't know how much it is, right? X is just going to be the regular price, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is now simplify this a little more so that we can put an invisible 1 in front of the X. And when we do this, we end up getting 1x minus 0.20x, which is going to be equal to 0.80x. And that is our final answer. Because 1 minus 0.20 is 0.80. And we're just combining the like terms. So I still have that x over there. They both had the x term. Part C. The discounted price of a hat is $18. What is the regular price? Well, I already know that from part B, I can find a discounted price by doing 80% of X. If we set this equal to 18, because it says this is the discounted price, is $18, and I already know I can find a discounted price with this expression here, that means that I can set 0.80x equal to 18 in order to solve for x. So what we're going to do is divide both sides by 0.80 or just 0.8 so that we can cross out what's in front of the x and just solve for x. And so we know x is going to be equal to $22.50. And we can also check our work here by taking $22.50 and multiplying it by 20%, and then subtracting that amount, right, from 22.50 to get $18 again. So I will show you the check as well. Let's just say that we now know the regular price is $22.50, right? Well, let's just see if we're going to get $18 again. If this was my original price, and I know that it was discounted by 20%, I'm going to do 20% times $22.50 and subtract that from $22.50. And let's see what we end up getting. 20% of $22.50 is actually $4.50. So if I subtract $4.50 from $22.50, we end up getting $18. So it works out. We know that the original price is in fact $22.50.